Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a 70s camera mod. We will explore various methods, from digital adjustments to physical equipment. You can achieve this distinctive aesthetic by understanding both software and hardware options. We'll cover essential techniques to give your photos that authentic, nostalgic feel, ensuring your images stand out with a timeless charm. For digital enthusiasts, software offers powerful tools to recreate the 1970s look. Programs such as Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop provide numerous presets and manual controls. Focus on adding subtle film grain, slightly desaturating colors, and shifting hues towards warmer tones. Experiment with split toning to achieve those iconic color casts, giving your modern photos a truly vintage digital transformation. To truly capture the analog essence, consider using vintage lenses. Many older lenses, like those from the 1970s, can be adapted to fit modern digital cameras. Look for lenses with distinctive characteristics such as swirly bokeh or subtle chromatic aberration. Adding physical diffusion filters can further soften your images and gently reduce contrast, mimicking the optical qualities of that specific photographic period. The 1970s aesthetic is defined by several key visual elements. Prioritize warm color palettes, frequently featuring a gentle yellow or orange cast. Deliberately introduce subtle lens flares and light leaks to evoke a strong sense of nostalgia. Finally, aim for slightly desaturated colors and a soft, dreamy focus to complete that iconic, timeless vintage camera look in your photography.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.